Welcome to Click for Biology. Here we're making a comparison between the features of the nervous system and the endocrine system and seeing how they compare and contrast. So let's just summarize what we have learned about these things. With the nervous system, of course, the nature of the communication is a nerve impulse. So we could think of that as being an electrical signal, whereas with the endocrine system, our signaling mechanism is a hormone. The connections between nerves and their effectors or from their receptors means that it's a very specific arrangement, right? So let's use the words specific links. Whereas, as we've just done in the previous videos, we've just seen that hormones can have multiple targets, sorry about the writing, multiple targets, and they can have multiple effects. So that's the same hormone. The nervous systems work, obviously you recall I was quoting speeds of 100 meters per second, so this is very fast, whilst the hormones tend to be, in comparison, tend to be relatively slow in terms of how quickly they can be circulated around the body, that is. The effects of the nervous system are short-lived. The impulse is sent, the effector is initiated, and a response is produced. However, the endocrine system with its hormones can circulate within the system for very long periods of time, and those time periods can be measured not just in days or months, but indeed years and lifespan. So let's put long-term effects. And so the body deploys either this specific fast response, short-lived response from the nervous system, but with the endocrine system, it's producing responses which need to be slower, which need to be sustained, which need to be kept going for long periods of time in order to have their effects. And so the body chooses to do this. We will be looking at various applications of these as we go through the rest of the course. And so we will move to, the link here is to the rest of the channel, and of course a chance for you to still subscribe if incredibly you have not done so yet.